Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very good. So today in this video I am going to talk about version control softwares. You should have heard their names sometimes, I guess. If not, let me tell you what is it. So version control software, according to their definition, it's a system that helps a software team to manage changes to a source code over time. It keeps track of every modification to the code in a special kind of database. If a mistake is made, developers can turn back the clock and compare earlier versions of the code to help fix the mistake. So this is what the definition tells us. So let's go and see how it actually works. So friends, as per the name suggests, version control system. So what it actually does is that it controls the versions of a software. Suppose I have made a software the first time, so I have named it version 1. After few modifications, I released another version of the software called version 2. And few more modifications, I released another version called version 3. Now, at this version 3, I came to know that I have a bug in my program. Like my program isn't working. It's an error. So, suppose if I do not have any details of version 2 or version 1, I will be in a big trouble. So, here is the version control system comes in the role and helps us. It maintains a database, version database in our local computer. So, if there is any mistake, we can revert back all the changes and go to version 2. In the same case, we can also do and revert back from version 2 to version 1. So we will, it solves us a very big trouble, big problem for us. So this is what the basic work and help of a version control software system is. So let's go and check how the centralized version control works. So any industry level software is a very big software and one or two or three, even three or more, 10 people can't work on them, can't alone create them. So we need a many people. Suppose I have a software on repository and there are three persons working on it simultaneously. And person one has done some changes in the software and it has committed to the repository. Now, what all the commits or changes are updated to the repository, but person 2 doesn't know about the changes. So what he will do, he will update his local repository by downloading the changes also. And the same way the person 3, if he or she has modified some changes the software, so she will update or commit. She will commit the changes to the server which is maintaining the actual repository, and to know all the changes like made by working person 1 and person 2, she or he will download from the server. So in this way they all can work together, on a single project, like person 1, person 2, person 3, all of them together can work on a single project. So this helps our team to work on a single project from not only at a one office, but even a person 1 can be in India, person 2 can be in America, person 3 can be in Brazil. There's no limitation that you have to work together at a single place. So this is a very good advantage of the version control softwares and working on a server repository. So friends, that's all about the version control software, and here are the some basic examples of version control systems like GitHub, SourceForge, Gitkraken, cloud source repositories, and Apache Allura, etc. like IBM Watson, It's also good system, you can see. So thank you friends for watching my video. If you have liked, please like, share and comment on my video. Do subscribe my channel if you are new to it, and please press the bell icon. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.